The number one piece of advice that I have for beginners in day trading is ignore psychology until you have your edge determined. You cannot focus and stick to a plan that has no data behind it. It doesn't matter if you execute perfectly, if your strategy doesn't work, you're never going to make money. So a lot of people like to talk about trading psychology. There are a ton of famous books about it, but you need to understand the market environment that you're in. You need to have the data on your side to understand different reports and different strategies and how they work in those market environments. But it's very important that you start your focus on the data side, not the psychology side. Once you have the data figured out and you have a strategy, something that works where you can see 80%, 75% of the time this happens, then is when you start to focus on the psychology. That's when your executions matter. That's when holding on to your winners matters. But if you're holding on to your winners in an environment or using a strategy that you don't know actually works, is never going to happen. You need to have the data first and you build the psychology on top of it. If you want an app that's going to tell you how often your strategies or your trading concepts actually play out, you have to go to edgeful.com. It is the only tool in the entire trading space that gives you the probabilities behind your setups on any ticker, whether you trade stocks, futures, Forex, or crypto. It doesn't matter. You can look back over 5 years of data. You can customize it based on however you like to trade, but it is impossible to trade without the data on your side. Make sure to check out edgeful.com.